Hello, my love. We're talking about the energetics of anxiety today. Anxiety is usually written off as a mental health issue. They'll give you medication for it, maybe. You gotta do 3 hours of meditation. Something's wrong with you. You gotta quiet your mental chatter. Here's the thing. Energetically, anxiety looks like scattered energy in and around the body. There are ways that don't require hours of meditation and silencing the mind, which is really hard to do, by the way, in order for us to reduce our anxiety. If you could see what anxiety looks like, you would know how simple it is to actually come back into the body. It's written off as a mental health issue, but it's really your spirit trying to come back to center, come back to your physical vessel. That's why we're here as human beings on this earth. We're meant to be human. We're meant to be in our bodies. So I'm going to show you how we use energetics to come back to center, reduce the scattered energy, remove anxiety from the body, ground yourself on earth, to feel at home in yourself, to feel like your body is your home, because it is, okay? We're going to take this practice outside. We are going to touch grass, okay? I want you bare feet in the mud, in the dirt. If that's not comfortable for you, let's get comfortable with it. But we can start with you on the carpet or on the ground or somewhere else. But I want you to know you can use this practice whenever you need it. You can use it in your car. You can use it at the doctor's office, at work, in line at the grocery store, at a freaking dance party in the middle of the dance floor. I've done that before, okay? Once you understand the energetics of it, you got it. All right. The best way is really with your feet, bare feet on the earth, skin to skin, okay? All right, I'm gonna meet you outside in a second. All right, my love, we're gonna start barefoot, ideally, on the earth, the grass, the floor, the ground. Wherever you can be, we'll start there. So the first thing we'll do is actually activate the physical body. We'll be activating the bottoms of the feet. We'll be using the breath to come back into the body. So simple. Without your breath, you don't exist on earth. So remember, the breath is the simplest way to come back to self. Lift your toes up, drawing the balls of the feet into the earth, and toes flat on the earth. Let's inhale, lifting up, lifting the heels, pressing into the toes. Exhale, release down. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, release down. Another inhale, lifting up. And exhale, release down. Pay attention to how the bottoms of your feet feel. Roll them out a bit. Press into the toes, press into the heels. Just roll them out. Breathe deeply here. Even just this will bring you back to center. Just paying attention to how your feet feel and paying attention to your breath, breathing deeply with intention. This is the simplest way to come back to self. Now, to bring the scattered energy into the body, we'll be using a combination of energy work and sacred geometry. There are 2 energetic lines I want to teach you today. The first energetic line goes up and down, vertical through the body, out through the crown of the head and down through the root into the earth. They're endless, infinite lines, okay? It goes up into the ether, we don't know where it stops, down into the earth, we don't know where it stops. The second energetic line is a horizontal line across the center line of the chest, across the shoulders, and it goes endlessly left and right, okay? So those are the 2 lines. We're making a T. We're coming back to these 2 center lines to bring our energy, our scattered energy, back to self, okay? So feet are activated. We've rolled on the balls. We've rolled back down. Pay attention to the feet. Let's go ahead and close the eyes, shoulders back and down, palms facing the body. Tuck the pelvic floor slightly under so your spine is straight, stacked. Your head is stacked straight on top of the spine. Digging the heels into the earth. Slight gentle bend in the knees. This is Tadasana, mountain pose. Such a powerful stance here. So let's go ahead and just breathe deeply for a few breaths, filling the lungs, the chest and the belly on the inhales. Releasing, exhaling on the... Releasing, completely relaxing on the exhales. Another deep breath in. And sigh it out. One more deep fill. And release. Now I want you to imagine roots growing out of the bottoms of the feet. They're growing thick, deep into the earth. With each breath, they're growing stronger, deeper, maybe extending branches, growing new ones, keeping you grounded, keeping you whole, keeping you here, keeping you present, reminding you that you are home on this earth. This earth is your home. You are safe here. Breathe that in and release, letting the shoulders relax. Now I want you to lift up through the spine, gently bringing your awareness to the base of your spine. Just holding the awareness here. And as you gather the awareness further and further up, straight in that spine, we're lifting through the low back, through the center back, through the upper back, through the center of the neck, the head, and out through the crown of the head into the ether. You're imagining a beautiful bright light lifting up from the crown of the head up into the sky, endlessly, so beautiful, so strong. You're connected, you're present, you're here, grounded, while being so present and connected to the sky up above you. And I want you to just breathe this awareness in, noticing the roots at the feet, noticing the beautiful dichotomy of you being so grounded on this earth while being so lifted, connected, high into the sky. And this is your center energetic line. Breathe this in. You have found it. You're holding it. You're breathing into it. Allow yourself a small smile here. How incredible that we can be so grounded and so connected up above simultaneously. And that's the beauty of being human here. We can do both. We're allowed to do both. Let's take a deep breath in and release. While keeping the eyes closed, I want you to begin to press your shoulders back and down. Maybe palms are splaying out, fingertips are wide. We're breathing into the chest. And I want you to imagine a beautiful, energetic line that is keeping your shoulders so straight, so in line, running horizontally across the upper half of the body. It's holding you so strong, so grounded, so stable, so still. Breathe into this line. Allow a small smile. Recognize how supported you are here, just with this one cord reaching across from shoulder to shoulder and then endlessly on both sides. Breathing so deeply, filling up the torso with each inhale, completely emptying with each exhale. And recognize how connected you are right now. You have one vertical line so strong, rooted into the earth, reaching into the ether. You have another horizontal line keeping you stable, still, safe, present, strong. And remind your body, remind your mind, remind your spirit that you can come back here whenever you need it. You are welcome to return to this space as often as you need. It is yours to hold. And feeling at home in your body, feeling at home on earth is your birthright. Breathe that in. Release. Allow the arms and fingertips to relax. Soften the knees. Allow a small smile here. Bring one palm over the chest, another resting right on top, chin tucked slightly under. And just smile to yourself. And just take a moment to thank yourself for showing up today. Truly thank yourself. Fully feel the gratitude you have for yourself, just showing up for you. And when you're ready, let's rub the palms together, creating chi and prana. And place the palms gently over the closed eyes. Breathing in the warmth from the hands. And release the hands, opening the eyes with a smile. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed this practice and you want more of this, the reclamation might be the best space for you. Something like this is exactly what we do in the first week of the program. It's a 14-week program only for women. I teach you how to find these energetic lines. We clean and clear energetic centers. We reprogram, recondition the patriarchal conditioning women have. The main point is we're discovering who we truly are as women because we don't know it. We've been suppressed for centuries, and things like this, we used to know how to do this all the time. We used to know how to do this naturally, intuitively, and you do know. We just have to uncover it within you. So thank you for practicing with me today. If you are interested in joining the reclamation, there is a link in the description. I hope to see you there. Take care.